You've probably seen these viral time travel vlogs where people film themselves in the past or the future. They're blowing up on Instagram right now. For example, there's this account called Chloe vs. History. They've only uploaded 18 videos, but as you can see, every single one is pulling in millions of views. This one hit 4 million, that one reached 9 million, and their most viral clip crossed 10 million views. As a result, the creator added almost 500,000 followers in less than a month. And it's not just them. New creators are already jumping on this trend and seeing serious growth. This one, with only 9 posts, got 10,000 followers. Another one with 14 posts is sitting at 18,000. So yeah, right now is honestly the perfect time to get into this niche before it gets too crowded. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these videos step by step. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT, open the sidebar, click Explore GPTs, and in the search bar, type Time Travel Vlog. Then select this one, scroll down, and start a chat. Of course, I'll leave the GPT model along with a free step-by-step checklist in a Google Doc in the description below. Once you're inside the chat, you'll notice 2 options at the top. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put yourself inside a vlog, so go ahead and click that option. The other option works in a similar way, so you can try it yourself after watching this video. The GPT will ask you to fill in a few details, like the year, the event, and the location. You don't need to fill in every single field, just give it enough information to understand the scene. For this demo, we're going to go with the 1912, just a couple of hours before and after the Titanic sink. Then upload a reference photo of yourself. Once you submit it, the GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts for you. Now let's head over to Higgsfield. Go to the image section and select the model Nano Banana 2. Then jump back to ChatGPT, copy the first text-to-image prompt, and switch back to Higgsfield to paste it in. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and choose either 2K or 4K for the resolution. As for how many images to generate, I'd recommend going with 4. That way, you have a few options to pick the best one. Also, make sure you upload your reference photo before anything else. Once everything's set, go ahead and hit generate. And just look at the result. Nano Banana places our character right into a vlog-style scene on the Titanic, surrounded by Edwardian passengers strolling along the deck, almost as if I were really there. Now let's try the next text-to-image prompt, the one that says, "Iceberg warning on the bridge, moments before impact." Copy that prompt, go back to Higgsfield, and follow the exact same process. Paste it in, choose how many images you want, and hit generate. Then just repeat that same workflow for the rest of the prompts. It's the same steps every time, so it goes pretty quickly. Once everything's done generating, you'll see that Nano Banana puts your character in a completely different location for each scene. From all the images, just go through and pick the ones you like most. I went with these 5 because they had the best quality and looked the most realistic. Now it's time to bring these images to life using Kling 3.0. To access it in Higgsfield, switch over to the video section and select Kling 3.0 as your model. As a quick tip, with Kling 3.0, you can now create videos up to 15 seconds instead of just 10 seconds, like in version 2.6. Go ahead and upload your first image as the start frame. Once that's in, head back to the GPT, scroll down, and you'll find the 5 text-to-video prompts waiting for you. Copy the first one, jump back to Higgsfield, and paste it into the prompt field. Now before you hit generate, there are a couple of settings to double check. Make sure enhanced is turned off and audio is turned on. Then set the resolution to 1080p for the best quality and the duration to 10 seconds. Once everything looks good, go ahead and generate. Once it's done processing, you'll get something like this.
Okay guys, I can't believe this. I'm literally on the Titanic right now, 2 hours before anything happens. Everyone here is just relaxing like it's the most normal cruise in the world.
Pretty cool already, right? But if you want to take it up a notch and make it feel even more realistic and cinematic, we can use the multi-shot feature. Just go ahead and turn that on. You'll see 2 options, auto or custom. I'm going with custom, so we have full control. Once it's enabled, you can add up to 5 shots, and for each one, you can describe exactly what happens in the scene. To do that, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT, copy the scene name, and use this prompt. Expand the scene into a 3-shot cinematic vlog sequence. Each shot must be 3 seconds maximum. Dialogue must be 4 to 6 words only. Same location and same moment in time. Only change camera angles, selfie, over shoulder, side, etc. And as I mentioned, I'll leave this prompt in the Google Doc in the description so you can just copy it directly. As you can see, ChatGPT gives you 3 multi-shot descriptions ready to go. Just copy them one by one and paste each one into Higgsfield, then hit generate.
Guys, this is actually Titanic. Everyone's just casually enjoying tonight. 2 hours before the iceberg.
Now let's move on to the next image. Upload it, clear out the previous prompt, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Higgsfield, and generate again. Just repeat this process for every image, making sure each one matches its corresponding video prompt. By the end, you'll have a set of short cinematic clips like this. Download them one by one, and then open your preferred video editor tool. Import the clips into your project and place them on the timeline. Next, let's add captions. Just click on Auto Caption and click Generate. By default, the style is pretty basic, so go to Templates and pick a style you like. Make sure the text is clear and adjust the position slightly lower so it doesn't block the main visuals. Once you're satisfied, click Export to prepare the video. But before saving the video, we need to create a cover image, like this one, where the title appears at the top. You don't need any extra software. Just click Edit Cover and select the moment that best represents the topic of your video. For this example, I chose this dramatic moment. Here, we only need some light fine-tuning. Add a label at the top that says where the person went. Center the caption at the top, and for this example, I'll type, "I visited the Titanic." Don't forget to turn on the background box behind the text so it stands out. I also added a ship emoji to match the theme. Finally, click Export, and you'll have a finished video like this.
Guys, this is actually Titanic. Everyone's just casually enjoying tonight. 2 hours before the iceberg. Wait! Something's happening up there. The crew is yelling and pointing at something in the water. Guys! I think that's an iceberg. People are starting to panic and the crew is uncovering lifeboats. I don't think this is just a small accident. This just got serious. They're actually lowering lifeboats into the ocean. People are crying and trying to get seats. This ship might really be sinking. This is unbelievable. The ship is tilting and people are running everywhere. The Titanic is actually sinking right now!
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.